Hi there, in this video I will show you how to fix Honor of Kings games stuck on loading screen or Honor of Kings games not working or not loading on your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your device. Scroll down and find out apps or applications. Open it. Search for Honor of Kings. Tap on Force Stop, then tap OK. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data. Tap OK or Delete. After that, move back to the home screen and restart your device. After the restart, open your Play Store. Search for Honor of Kings. If you found any available updates for this application, then update it from here. After completing the updating process, open the games from here. I hope your problem will be fixed.